my channel Chalo Padhe. In this channel today we are going to discuss IT class 10 402 chapter database management system. First, I want to say you thank you for subscribing, liking my channel. Already you have watched my video of the chapter word processor. This way you will get it others video also related to your syllabus. Those who have still not subscribed, please subscribe, like as well as share my channel. In my part 1 video of the database, I have explained you what is database, what is RDBMS, what is field, column, that all we have discussed. So today I am going to discuss how to create a table. You have seen I have opened the MS Access. Now what you need to do, first you need to click on the create button. There you are having table, table template, table design. First we will discuss about the table templates because we can create mainly the table in two ways, templates and a blank database. What is the difference between template and blank database? Template means built-in templates, means built-in formatting already done, everything is ready, table is already created. What you need to do, you need to only fill the data in that is your template. So what you need to do, you need to click on template, whichever template you want to use, contact, task, issue, event, as it, you can choose that. But you can see the table is in front of me. What I need to write, I need to enter only the data. You can see I am filling the data. Through that you can get it know that in this way you have to only fill the data, nothing else, and whichever column you want to leave it blank, you can leave it blank. You can see that I am filling the data. I don't want to fill the other things. Okay, now whenever you press the tab key, your cursor will be in the second one. Again I am in the same company and different name. This way you can even fill the data as much number of record you want to fill, you can fill. This way you can fill the data. Right? Whenever I will press tab key, your cursor will be on the third, or by pressing the arrow key also you can move to the next column. Clear? What is this? This I am only filling the data. This way I am filling the data because this is the way to fill the data when you are using the template. That means I have no need to create the table, already table is there. What I am doing, only filling the data. After that you need to click on this cross button. It will ask you to save the table, yes. And then if you want to change the name, you can change the name, otherwise you can keep the same table name also. Then click on OK. You can see table 2 is there. By double clicking on this I can see the data. So what is this? This is known as data sheet view, where I can view the data. This way I can view the data. So this is a template which we have done, how to create a table. how we can create a table. This is not, we are not have created a table, we are using the database. We are using a template to create the database. So template means built-in templates, means where everything, every formatting, even table is already there. What you are doing, you are only filling the data in that. This way you can create a table by using the template, because templates are built-in templates, means software is already have the option to create it. How to create a table? No need to create a table, only to fill the data. Now the main thing that comes in your mind, how to create a table. When we want to create a table of your own choice, like if you want to create a table of your own choice, in that way, I don't want all these field name, I want it for a different way, then how you will create that table? That is a table in design view. This is a data sheet view which you can create. So the another way is to create a table in design view. Design view means according to your design, according to your choice, according to yours requirement, because everybody is having a different requirement for creating anything. So in that case, with the help of this table design, we can create a table according to our choice. Clear? So in that way we can create a database. We can create a table. So before we start how to create a table, in this table, suppose table 1 is nothing, I am creating a table. In design view, you will click here, you will see this will appear. Now you know what is field name. Field name means column name, the names, headings which you want. Data type. Data type means which type of data. You want to enter text, you want to enter number, you want to enter date of birth, you want to attach any file. So before you create a table, first thing that comes, you need to understand that is a data type. So first thing, suppose I am creating it for a school, for a students. What I have written the first admission number. So in that my text type will be number, data type will be number. Why number? Number data type means when you can enter only numeric data, that time we are taking a number. But number data type we used to take when we want to do any calculation. But on admission number we don't want to put any calculation, so I am changing it into text. So in number data type, you can store up to, your storage requirement is 2 GB and your data range is from -32768 to 32767. So next I can take marks as a number. Clear? So now I am going to discuss about the text data type. Text data type means alphanumeric data type. Alphanumeric means alphabet as well as the number. Alphabet as well as the number. That data type is text data type, where you can enter the alphanumeric number. And in text data type, you can store up to 255 characters, and we can store in this 255 character at a time. So next data type, suppose I want to write the address. For that I have taken the data type memo. Now what is memo? It is also alphanumeric, but the main thing is in which you can write unlimited text, because its capacity is, its storage is up to 1 GB, and in this one address you can enter 65,536 alphanumeric character, That means alphabets as well as the number. Now next field name which I need to take is date of birth. In that case, which data type I will use? Date and time. Now what is date and time data type? Date and time data type is that where you can enter the date as well as the time. Whichever date format is there, you can choose that type of date. It can be a short date or a long date. Next is your I am entering roll number, and that I am taking auto number. Now what is auto number data type? Auto number means when I have no need to enter any number. Automatically it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, I will take a data type as a auto number. Next data type which you are having a currency. Suppose I am writing a fee. At that time I am choosing a data type currency, so that automatically currency symbol will come in front of my data whenever I will enter. So the next data type which we are having, yes, no, boolean, logical. I have written pass or fail. So I have taken a data type yes, no, pass, yes. I feel that student is not pass, I will use no. So it is like a toggle case, means either the answer is yes or no, no other answer. Still we are having more data types. First you need to understand this data type, then I will expand it more. Because still you are having 3-4 more data type which you need to understand. After that I have clicked on cross. Yes, I want to save it with table 3 name. Okay. Okay, I don't want. Do you want to create a map? No, I will discuss that later on. I need to now double click on table 3. You can see admission number is there. Then I have written a marks. Then I have written a address. Then I have to click here to choose the date of birth. By clicking on it, you can go back whichever month you want to choose. You can choose the date. Roll number I have not written. It is coming by default 1. I have written 200 rupee fee. Pass yes. So automatically incurred. When I will go to the next record, next admission number, next marks, address, then date of birth, any date of birth whichever you want you can choose. Automatically 2 is here. I am writing the fee. I am saying pass yes. This way you can enter the set data. The structure which we have created, if you want to modify it, you can close it, it will be saved. So if I want to again go to that window, go to right click and click on design view, you can go in that window. Still more data types are left. We will discuss it in my next video. Up to that, wait and watch. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe it so that you will get a notification that already my video is in the channel. Thank you students. Take care. Stay safe.